In this video, I'm going to walk you through where to find your orders, invoices, and other documents on the new Ariba Network Supplier Portal so you can take action on them. One thing to know is that the new portal doesn't impact any of your current documents or network configuration. This means that you can continue to receive and confirm orders and send invoices as you would have done in the classic portal. There are 3 ways you can get to your documents in the new Supplier Portal. First is through the navigation menu. Second is by using the search bar on the home page. And the third method is through the new workbench. The workbench gives you the most flexibility and robust filtering, so you'll want to watch till the end of this video to learn more. On the main navigation menu, you will notice orders and invoices instead of inbox and outbox, as in the classic portal. You can get to your documents by clicking on the drop-down menu. Fulfillment is a new menu item in the navigation bar. Under this item, you can find documents like order confirmations, service sheets, ship notices, and more. Using the search bar, you can filter by document type, customer, or enter the relevant document number. When you enter your document number, you can choose to search by partial or exact match. One thing to note is that there are default date ranges per document type. For example, when you search for an order using partial match, the network will only search for orders from the last 31 days. For invoices, the date range is 90 days. If you need to search by specific date range or would like to filter using additional criteria, then you'd want to use the new workbench. You can get to the new workbench via the navigation menu or by clicking on any one of the tiles in your overview bar. Each tile here shows you a count of your relevant documents, and clicking on it will take you to a list view. In your work list, click on Edit Filter to see the available filter options. When you see the filter tags icon, it means that you can have more than one filter selection. For example, you can select multiple customers or multiple order statuses. Once you've made your selection, click on Apply to see the results. You can also save your filters by clicking on Save Filter, then add a short description to help you easily identify your tile the next time you log in. One more thing I'd like to mention. In the classic portal, you had an option to view your last 200 documents. In the new portal, you can instead use the filter for creation date and select last 365 days, or use custom date range. You can configure how the table with your documents or work list is displayed by clicking on the settings icon here. To display or hide columns, simply drag and drop the column titles and click Apply. The export icon allows you to export your document list into a spreadsheet. To take action on any document, simply click on the More icon under Actions. You can also click on any document to bring it up and take action there, just like in the classic portal. You can add more tiles by clicking on the Customize icon on the top right of your screen. This is where you can add or delete tiles, add descriptions to each, or reorder them. To delete a tile, simply click on the X icon. To move a tile, you can drag by the 2 horizontal lines and drop them to their desired positions. The order of your tiles here is how they will show up on the overview bar of your home page. To add a tile, click on the plus icon here. Click on the tooltip to see a short description of each tile, then click on the plus icon again to add. Click Apply to save. As a tip, you can create multiple versions for your tiles for the way you work. For example, you can create multiple order tiles with filters for each of your key customers, or multiple invoice tiles with different creation date ranges. You can create up to 25 tiles. The last change you may notice is the SAP Business Network branding on the supplier login page, as well as on the top left corner of the new homepage and workbench. You'll continue to see Ariba Network and Ariba Supply Chain collaboration on all other network pages, network documents, documentation, and help materials. This change doesn't impact your ANID, your login credentials, processes, transactions, or accounts. It is part of the SAP Business Network strategy to introduce a unified network, improve collaboration, and provide you with all new insights. We hope you found this video useful. For more information, Be sure to review the other videos on the new supplier portal and workbench to learn about the new capabilities.